Good morning, Tasty Nation. Mark Trader here. All right, really quick pre-market peek into for QQQ on this July 5th. Hope you guys all had a good celebration yesterday. Now let's have some fun and make some money. All right, so QQQ down, up, down, up. Check it out. All right, let me go to my Thinkers from Charts here. This is Tastyworks. I love Tastyworks. It doesn't have the charting functionality that I like yet to teach, but you don't really need it to trade. The only number I look for is right here. See that IV rank 65? Then it is time to get to work. Once you see this number above 50, you can start. If you're brand new and you've been to my forum, you can start trading. I did a project making dough with Tasty Trade, and all I did was do golden geckos. All right, this is tastytrade.freeforums.net. So you just go to do a golden gecko, you do iron condor right here. You go to iron condor, make sure normal is selected with the star. You want to make sure this is checked monthly, 45 days, 84.10, and today is a perfect 45 days, well, 44 days expiration, because yesterday was a holiday, really couldn't do much. You're gonna zoom out and you want to click on this, make sure everything is close to the bottom. You're gonna sell a put closest to 1 standard deviation out of the money, which is this see this vertical dash line, you want that to say 84%. You're also going to sell a call on the other one standard deviation out of the money line, and you want that to be right there, and you want that to be as close to 84 as possible. So right about there. Now you're also going to buy a put 2 standard deviations, and you want that to say 2%, and same like here. Now what I want is, can I zoom in real quick? I'll zoom in just one click. So anyway, what I did was I zoomed in, and here's where QQQ is trading right now, 136.19, which is right here. I want it to stay in between here. All right? Long as the stock price, which is here, stays in this green area, I make money. And by the end of it, through the end of 44 days from now. All right? Anything in the red, I lose money. So I want to stay in between. I'll be able to collect $92 for this trade, and I have an 88% chance of making 50% of this. All right, so let me go real quick off to the charts. And all right, so here's what was, here's my, let me zoom out in here. Where's my grid here? And I'm gonna move that out. All right, so here's what was interesting. So I thought tonight would open, well, we still could open down, have it open up and then down, but here's what I'm talking about. Here is Monday, and here was yesterday. So I'm looking at /NQ, by the way. So this is not QQQ. This is the E-mini, the E-mini futures for NASDAQ. All right. So I'm gonna zoom in here. Here we go. So here's today. See this bump in the market right here? I'm surprised that happened, but I don't want it to go above 56.10. I want it to bounce off of that and have that act like a ceiling, and have it bounce off that and come down. So here's what happened briefly yesterday in the futures, right? Even it was hit the low. So we went down after market. This is Monday. Tuesday during the day, sank down even lower. Tuesday night, and here's Wednesday morning. They're goosing it up right here. Oh crap. Sorry. They're goosing it up right here. Okay, so what I want to do is, the market's going to open in about 25 minutes, and I want this to come up, open around here, and then just fail. And what that'll happen was, this is my 15-minute chart. See, now here's the daily chart. Okay, here's yesterday, and what'll happen is you'll see a further down move. Let me just expand this. Hit max my cell, and I will zoom out to make it easier here, and then I'll auto arrange, auto zoom. Here we go. Right, so this downward trend will continue. Now on the NQ, I do expect it at some point in time to hit 52.32 here. I just don't want to take it in one day. That's too big of a down move. And if you're doing a golden gecko, if you have more than a 2 standard deviation move, or anything more than a 1 standard deviation, but definitely a black swan event like a 2 standard deviation move, most people will get hurt. private coaching clients, you know how to set this up so you actually take advantage of that and actually make money when that happens instead of lose money. But anyway, if you're starting out, just be prepared for that. Here's what I mean. You don't want this to do a drastic, when most people trade, you're going to lose money if this has a sharp drawdown really quickly, more than a 2 standard deviation move. Private coaching clients, do not forget to set up your trades where you actually make money doing that instead of getting hurt by a black swan event. So just be careful of that, all right, you guys? Now, going back to this, we'll see if we bottomed out. We're at 69% in Ford/NQ right here, the E-mini NASDAQ. Like I said, I fully expect it could hit 100. Looks like we're bottoming them out here, though, unless it goes further low. We can definitely go lower, though. So that's what I hope to see today. But that's what I'm going to be watching, though. All right. So I'm watching this carefully today, because if the market goes further lower, here's my 15-minute chart. Let's say it bounces off this. See, so what I don't like is pre-market. See where that line is right here? It's pretty much at the high of yesterday. See right here? So I do not want it to go higher, because if it goes higher than this, it's going to have an up day, right? And then if it has an up day, I don't want it to go higher than about here, all right? But I'm looking for it to fail. I want it to fail here and go further, because when I come here, IV rank will continue to go higher. And the reason why I want IV to go higher here, because that'll translate into higher IV in QQQ, which is what we're really going to trade, right? Okay, this is QQQ. And we haven't bottomed out here yet. So it's IV rank. The reason why I want IV rank to climb higher is because then I can even trade more contracts and have more money in play in QQQ. Because as this number, IV rank, goes higher, see this amount I'm selling, this bid amount, that's what I'm selling this put for. Okay. In fact, this will be worth more money. Meaning I can sell this for, instead of for $1, if IV rank goes higher, I can sell this for more money, maybe $1.25 even, right? All these prices will go up. And then I want to sell them at higher prices when IV rank is high like this, because as soon as it hits this high, I want to buy it back as this drops. So what I'll do is let me switch to 10 years here, and I can go further back. So let's look. The last time it hit 100 was right here. This is back in August 25th, 2015 was the last time it hit 100. IV rank hit 100. Now let's look how many days it took to hit 100. 3 days. 1, 2, where are we? Let's go from this low of 25, maybe. What is that, 25? It took a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to reach 100. And let's look at how long it stayed at 100. Okay, 1 day. See, so I can sell it at the high, and already I'm starting to buy it back as IV rank collapses, right? And then of course it stays within that one stock market. If you're selling, it stays within this 1 standard deviation move. It didn't just go like a V. It did not do a V. So Golden Gecko made a nice bunch of money there. Okay, because look, it bounced back up, stayed level, and look what happened at the same time. IV rank collapsed. That's exactly what you happen when you put these on. So that's what I'm looking to happen here. All right. Let me zoom back out. This is 10 years, so I'll just zoom in right here. See, I want a nice down, up, down, and I want should get up to about here, and then start leveling off, and then maybe bounce even higher up further. Anyway, so that's what I'm looking at for today. I want to get ready to put on some trains. Private coaching clients, hit me up on on my Hangouts channel, and then we can go from there. But just look at that. Keep an eye on this on your 15-minute chart. If you want my free charts, just like the channel and send me an email, and I will send them to you if you want my charts for free. All right. So in a few, hold on. I'm trying to think if I'm forgetting anything else. I don't think so. All right. Have a great day trading, and I'll talk to you guys later.